If you're in the market to buy a home right now, let me give you some game. You probably haven't heard this. It's unique. I've done it. A lot of people I know have done it. It's called a mortgage assumption. Now, before you swipe away, hear me out on this. You're not going to hear this from a realtor. 99% of them are just service providers. They don't really bring a lot of advice like this to the table. Okay. I was a financial advisor for 20 years. That's why I know this. Okay. My job is to actually make people money, but I digress. A mortgage assumption is excellent right now. What it means is exactly as it sounds. You assume someone's mortgage, and you can put this in your offer to people if you're looking at a home. So, a lot of people bought real estate since 2021, okay, in 2022. And a lot of the values are decreasing. Maybe they got in over their head. Maybe they don't like the house, right? A lot of things have changed since then, whatever the reason, okay? But they got their house, bought it at a low interest rate or refinanced at a low interest rate. And so if you're looking at a place right now and say it's, $1.5 million, okay, and they bought it recently, they probably have, let's just say, a 3% interest rate. Today's interest rate is 6.25, 6.5. In your offer, you could say it's contingent upon assuming your loan. So you go through the bank underwriting and they say, yes, you could have the loan. So you don't have closing costs, you don't have any of that, right? You just take over their loan at their interest rate of 3%. And so, say if they have 25 years left on a 30-year mortgage, you assume that you finish off their loan. And yeah, if they have some equity, you just cut them a check, right? But there's no down payment required. And if there is equity and you want to cut them, that could be in lieu of a down payment, right? But you'd be shocked right now. Some people just want to get out of their houses. And so you could offer this, they win. There's no closing costs for you on a new purchase. And you just assume the loan and you really win because you lock in that low interest rate. And so check it out, mortgage assumption. As always, this is one guy's experience that's done this countless times for his clients. It works. Google it before the common warrior is like, oh, Google, it's not. Google pulls up the information and leads you to the right direction. Mortgage assumption. Check it out. You'll thank me you did.